Welcome back everybody to Boats vs. Haulover, where me and a machine take on Mother Nature down at Haulover Inlet in Miami, Florida. But today, if you can't tell, we are not at Haulover. Oh man, the girls get some air as we're visiting BOCA Inlet, and that can obviously be attested to by the fact we've got the Blue Top Legend making their way in. It'll be a little bit of a fun day down here at BOCA as we don't have crazy conditions. We're probably pushing 1 to 2s with about a 10-mile-an-hour wind, but let's see how our captains fare as they step in the ring and attempt to do battle with BOCA Inlet. And here we're going to go ahead and step into the first round, and we're going to have a cigarette come in and start to make its way out of BOCA. This crew's taking the slow roll approach at first, and here we'll see they start to make their way out the mouth of the inlet, and they're going to slowly open these throttles up, and they're going to let this boat go. And as you can tell from these images here, as we mentioned in the open on this, it's really not that crazy of a day, so BOCA's going to have to put some work in to try and get some wins over the boats. And here we can see as this crew's left the mouth of the inlet, they're going to let those throttles loose and let this boat eat. And this boat's not going to have any issues with the conditions today. And this crew will easily take a win for the boats here in the first round as they make their way out of BOCA Inlet. Now let's see if our captain in the second round can keep this good luck up as they go ahead and try and make their way out of BOCA. And here we're going to see this crew making its way out, and this is a strange situation. So we've got the girl facing backwards, we got another guy laying in the bow of this Boston whaler, and the other girl's holding on to whatever she can grab onto, it looks like. And we're going to start making our way out, and it's not that rough, but they're taking it easy, but laying in the bow of this boat's going to be a little bit brutal if they take a couple of good waves. And here we're going to see they're not going to have any issues so far, but bam! Oh, that's a big smack! I mean, to be laying in the bow of the boat, I mean, watch my guy's O-face right here. That one, he's probably going to feel it for a little while. Now, I'm going to go ahead and give BOCA the win in this one. Even though this crew makes it out fairly easily, BOCA gave him a good enough smack that our dude in the bow's probably going to remember that one for a few days. And that's going to bring us to a 1-1 tie as we head into our third round. In our third round, we're going to feature none other than the queens of BOCA themselves, the Blue Top Legend. And here we can see they're making their way toward the mouth of the inlet. Here you can tell the conditions aren't that crazy today, but they've got this boat up on plane, letting the boat do the work and doing what they do, and that's full sending it toward the mouth of the inlet. The girls look pretty solid. I mean, this boat's moving, especially compared to some of the other boats we've seen coming in and out of the inlet. They take a little air and a little smack there, but overall, that's not stopping them. The girls are going to just let this one ride. And as per usual, the girls are all smiles, having a good time as they make their way into the inlet, and the Blue Top Legend will easily take a win over BOCA here in the third round, and that will give the boats the slight edge 2-1 as we head into our fourth round. And let's see how our fourth round contestants fare as BOCA tries to throw some waves at them. This is a tough one. A lot of times I won't go crazy on people, but with what's gone on in BOCA in the past couple weeks, I have to throw a flag here. I don't know if you guys knew this, but somebody actually died at BOCA just a few weeks back when they got tossed from the boat. So pulling a move like this coming out of the inlet, not recommended. I'm giving the win to BOCA. And that'll take us into our fifth and final round, tied at 2 apiece. And who will take the win this week? Will it be the boats or BOCA Inlet? And man, I'm not even gonna lie, this Valhalla is haul and tail, bro. They've got the throttles pinned on this. Everybody seems to be smiles, having a good time. And this crew, I mean, they're absolutely crushing it. And it doesn't appear they're gonna have any issues. And this boat's gonna go ahead and take a win for the boats in the 5th round. And that's gonna give the boats the win in this episode. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Boats vs. Haulover. If you did, please check out our other content. We have Wavy Boats, who does a bunch of great things down at Haulover Inlet. We have my channel, Broncos Guru. We do some great comedy boating videos there as well. And of course, we've got the Miami Boat Ramps channel that focuses on all the hilarity that happens to the boat ramps in South Florida. And if you haven't already, go ahead and drop an anchor on the subscribe button here.